Mr. Chair, tayo po ay
Right, we're currently watching the House Committee hearing on the Committee hearing the Department Administration.
With that, I'd like to move, not perhaps move, but I would, if the committee and the rules would allow, I'd like to waive the rule that he cannot speak while I'm speaking, so as not to hinder him. I want the former president to have an unhindered and unadulterated.
Then that is my responsibility. Hindi ko po bigyan, hindi ko pwedeng bitawan yung tao.
Pang-aakit po, you're taking charge, full responsibility versus what you're saying about this person.
Thank you. The Senator Padilla is next. With Senator Popo waive his privatization. Senator, you're next.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين بسم الله wassalatu wassalamu Allah Rasul. Kung hindi po tatitindig ang ating kapulisan, kung hindi po tatayo ang ating mga law enforcement, tayo po ay tatalunin ng mga sindikatong nag-ahari na nagluluto na ng mga droga kung saan-saan. Mga mahal kong kababayan, ang datos ko ang magsasabi. Ganun sa panahon ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, masasabi ko na po